Y'all, I've been loving the GUGUG for years. And let me tell you, when my pores are congested, this is the tool that does it. Now, you know those days when your skin just feels clogged, oily, or a little rough? That used to be me all the time. I would try cleansers, masks, scrubs, create my own, you name it. But nothing ever gave me that deep clean I was looking for. That's where this little gadget came in and completely changed up my skincare routine. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I use the GUGUG Skin Scrubber Face Spatula step by step so you can see why it's been such a game changer for me. So here it is, super sleek, lightweight, and portable. It has 4 modes that we're going to walk through together. I also love that it's rechargeable with a USB cable, so no batteries to deal with. And it even has an auto shut off after 5 minutes, which keep me from overdoing it. Let me show you how it works. Now, most importantly, I use the cleaning mode. But before I use this, I make sure my face is damp. I've already cleansed lightly, but now I'll take my favorite rose water and spray it all over my skin. Y'all, excuse me. I just have a phobia of something going in my eye, even though I'm not aiming for my eye, so I always squint and close my eyes. I can't help it. But y'all, I'm getting ready to use the Ion Plus mode. Now, I want to go back just a second. It does come with 2 silicone spatulas. You can glide those spatulas across the skin, and the high frequency vibrations help loosen up all the buildup in your pores. You can actually see it lift away impurities as you go along. Now then I go into the Ion Plus mode. This is where the real magic happens. First up is the cleaning mode. Now, I've already done this, but before I use this, I make sure my face is damp. I've already cleansed lightly, but then I'll take my favorite cleanser, which y'all know I love, the Avon Rice Water Bride. I lather it up and apply it all over my skin. And then I use one of the silicone covers that comes with the spatula. I glide the spatula across my skin, and the high frequency vibrations help loosen up all that buildup in my pores. You can actually see how it lifts away impurities as you go along. Now my skin instantly feels lighter, like I just took off a layer of dullness. This step right here is what makes me keep coming back to it. Now, the second mode, now this is where I'm actually going to show you. I have my bottle of rose water. I spritz that all over my face, and excuse me for squinting like, it's going to just engulf me. Now this is where the real magic happens for blackheads and whiteheads. So again, make sure your skin stays damp. Water is key here. And again, I'm using rose water. As I glide the spatula over areas like my nose and chin, it gently pulls out impurities from the pores without me having to pinch, tug, or squeeze. That's what I love about it. It feels so gentle, but you still get results. If you've ever struggled with those stubborn little bumps that just don't want to go away, this step is for you. Now, we go on, and the next mode is the Ion Negative mode. Now, once my skin feels clean, I switch over to the Ion Negative mode. This one helps my products absorb better. So here's what I do. I apply my favorite serum, and instead of just rubbing it in with my hands, I use the spatula to glide it in. It feels so soothing, and I swear my skin drinks up the serum way faster. It's like unlocking the full potential of my skincare products. Honestly, I notice such a big difference when I use this step compared to when I skip it. And number 4, this is the lifting mode. This is the pampering step, the final step, the one I love when I have a little extra time. Using the wavy silicone side, I go over my face with gentle upward strokes. It gives my skin this relaxing massage that feels spa-like right at home. After a long day, this step just melts away tension and leaves my skin feeling refreshed and awake. So that's the full routine with the GUGUG Skin Scrubber: cleaning, ion plus, ion negative, and lifting. I use this 2 to 3 times a week now, and it has truly made a difference in my skin. It feels smoother, it looks clearer, and I finally have that glow without spending a fortune at a spa. Plus, it's compact, easy to recharge, and honestly fun to use. If you're looking for a way to step up your skincare game and really give your skin that deep clean, this might be the tool for you. Hey, but y'all know I got you covered. I have the link in the description box right on Amazon. That's right, that's right. So check it out. Because y'all know I only share what I actually love and use, and this one has truly earned its place.
Try to take me